Paano ba? Paano ba setup nito? Hindi, kailangan natin mag-work. Siguro sa likod na lang. Ayun, okay. Facebook dahil. Okay, if you have any questions, punta lang kayo sa comment section, type nyo lang yung questions nyo sa comment section. Salamat nga pala Hero Paints for sending these paints for unboxing and review. Tapos, salamat din sa pag-sponsor ng mga custom repaints natin. Sige pala. Okay. So, let's make this work. Paint lang tayo ng Hulkbuster. Ito na yung nagagawa natin. Custom box. Ito ang custom box. Ano ba ito? Storm Gray naman. Storm Gray. Chill live lang tayo. Ito. Box art. Yan. Kung meron kayong mga questions, type in nyo lang sa baba. Tapos na halos yung ating Hulkbuster na Punisher. Yung ginagawa natin. Camouflage, gray camouflage na Punisher. Custom repaint. Thank you very much, client Shy J. Thank you, brother. Open ako sa mga open lagi tayo sa ating commissions. And kung meron kayong mga tanong, type in nyo lang sa type nyo lang sa ating comment section. Pa! Yun! Patay! Dumapo sa brush, tapos inampas natin. Kulit ng damo, kanina ito eh. Meron ka ba kayong mga comments? Thank you. Okay naman yung audio ko tsaka video. Maraming salamat Laro Anan. Very soon magana tayo live selling. Benta natin yung mga naiwan dito mga stocks. May mga bago rin ako mga customs. Ito yung pattern na ginagawa natin. Hi, musta kayo dyan? Happy Wednesday. Hope you had fun today. Hi, Philippine Treasure Rain. Lahat tayo, Sir, Philippine Treasure. Hi, Sir Jasper. Ito, Sir, nagpe-paint tayo ng camouflage pattern. Ayan. Thank you, Sir. Musta, Sir? Jasper Gray. Okay naman, Sir, audio ko, tsaka audio tsaka video. Rinig naman. Tsaka malinaw ba? Malinaw ba yung audio ko? Mic check, 1, 2, 3, mic check. Sana malinaw yung audio ko. Ayos, nice. Thank you, sir. Thank you for replying. Thank you, Sir Jasper. Kamusta, sir? Kamusta, ano mga kinokollect mo ngayon, sir? Yep, 5x5 audio mo. Wow. Thank you, sir. Oh, greetings from Argentina. How are you, bro? How are you, Valias Julian? Yeah, greetings from Argentina. I'm Ralph Cifra from Manila, Philippines. How are you? I am painting a camouflage pattern right now for Punisher Hulkbuster. I don't want to touch the actual figure because my hands are full of paint. Greetings from Argentina. I am from I am Ralph Cifra from Quezon City, Manila, Philippines. Where are you from, Sir Jasper Gray and Valles Julian? Greetings from Argentina. Love from Manila to Argentina. We are going to do this more often. Oh, thank you. I really Valles Julian said, I really admire your work. You are great. Thank you very much, brother Valles Julian. Yeah, you are great too, bro. I really admire you here, also coming here and commenting positive words here on my channel. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. I really appreciate my supporters. Thank you everyone who support my channel. Yeah, if you haven't already, go to my YouTube page. I always upload some custom repaint tutorials and some processes. I also upload the items for sale. If you want to buy some of my figures, it is for sale. I will be doing some live selling very soon. I'm just collating all of them. So yeah, let's do it. Let's do it very soon. We will do this more often. I will be doing more live videos very soon. Yeah, I want to document the whole process in this format too. So I have the YouTube tutorials, I have photos, videos, shorts, long form, short form, vertical, horizontal, any format um, that I can produce. Okay. I'm also using a hair blower so that our paints will be dried faster. It will, so that the paints will dry faster. If you have any questions regarding custom repaint, visual arts, logo design, uh, web design, layout, graphics, Photoshop, software, hardware, toy collecting, gaming also, I also play games. I'm playing God of War, Ragnarok in the PS4 hardware right now. So I think I will be done in a few hours. I'm just taking a break and doing some painting. What is the Okay, let's do the skull here at the top and draw it at the center. I need white paint. So we are using right now. We are using this ultra white cover, stronger coverage, and water-based acrylic matte white. Thank you very much, Hero Paints, for always sponsoring our video. Alright. How do we do it? Up. Skull. Painting progress. Yep. If you have any questions, just just type it in the comment section below. Alright, this is the first layer. Let's proceed with the next layer. How are you guys? Sir. Okay, next step to naman, black. Hi, sir. Van Edgard Sevillana. How are you, sir? Where are you watching from? I'm doing this from. I'm at Quezon City right now. Where are you from, sir? We're doing a custom box art for Punisher. Manila. Let's go. He's from Manila too. How are you, sir? Kamusta? I really love doing stuff for, for local and international markets. Mabuhay! Thank you, sir. Refresh lang natin ako. Tapos, siguro sponge na to. Ito, useful din yung sponge para sa mga custom repaint natin kasi yung sponge nakakapag-create ng mas mga maliliit na mga dots. Unahin natin yung white bago yung black. Nanon ko lang white. Thank you very much, Hero Paints. Saan na yun? Yun. Ayan o. Para yan, diba? Ayan o. Hero Primer. Oh, sir, pwede. Pwede kong gumamit. Ano bang paint job ang gusto mo, sir? Weathering, recolor, manga style. Daming pwedeng gawin sa custom repaint. Yun. I'll start. Okay, I think okay na to. Alright. Tapos lalagyan na lang natin ng signature dito sa likod. Using acrylic markers. Kahit dito na lang siguro, no? Likod. Hindi kita. Sige, dito na lang. na lang natin yung signature natin. Gagawin mo metallic. Oh sir, maganda yun, metallic color. Anong color na metallic sir? Silver? Silver o candy cane? May guide po ba kayo paano siya i-paint ng silver? Oh sir, sabihin ko sa'yo ngayon sir. Uh, Primer, flat black, hindi, sand mo muna yung area para magkaroon ng konting grip. Tapos, gloss black na primer. O pwede ring primer gray muna. Tapos, gloss black. Tapos, silver. Yun, that's it. And then, top coat. Medyo ano lang, dahan-dahan lang din sa paggamit ng top coat kasi minsan yung silver nagre-react dun sa mga top coat eh. So ito na, tapos na tayo rito. Ay, dyan na tayo, 30 minutes. Pwede na. Thank you sir. Meron ka pa ano sir? Meron ka pa ibang mga questions? Anong Gundam yung kukulain mo sir or Gunpla? Ito na yung ating box art. Okay? Dahil na tayo. Ipakita ko lang din sa inyo yung ano yung ginawa natin na Punisher Hulkbuster. Ito na. Wait lang. Punas lang tayo. Just making sure na walang paint yung kamay natin bago natin siya i-flex. Lang ah. Daming paint. Okay, ito ang ating yan, Punisher Hulkbuster. Tapos ito yung box art niya. Alright, so yun lang mga ma'am sir, that's it. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye-bye! Mga magpa-practice muna ako sa RX-78. Oh sir, G mo yan, G. Gusto ko yan sir, sige sir. Update mo ako sir kapag nag-start ka na. Send mo lang sa DM, open naman ako sa mga ganyan. If you have any questions, just send it via DM. Open ako sa mga questions and if alam ko yung sagot, sasagutin ko. If hindi naman, sasabihin ko rin. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung answer. Okay? Thank you, Sir Van. See you soon. Siguro bukas ulit. Okay? See you later. Bye-bye. How do you end this? Ayun.